Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain Android TV not turning on and the ultimate step-by-step fixing guide. Number 1. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power outlet, wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can reset internal components and resolve minor issues. Number 2. Check the remote control. Ensure the remote has working batteries. Try turning on the TV using the power button on the TV itself to rule out remote issues. Number 3. Perform a soft reset. If the TV has a standby light but doesn't turn on, press and hold the power button on the remote for about 5 seconds until the TV restarts. Number 4. Factory reset if accessible. If the TV turns on but functions improperly, navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, About, Reset and then Factory Data Reset. This will erase all settings and data. Number 5. Force Factory Reset. If the TV doesn't respond at all, unplug it. Press and hold the power button and volume down button on the TV, not the remote, then plug it back in while holding the buttons. Release them when the LED light changes color. Thanks for watching.